Well, beautiful silver FN2 on very similar wheels to mine. This one is in for valve clearances, inlet manifold and a map. So because it's in for valve clearances and it is Saturday, it's going on the ramp, so it doesn't have to be started because all valve clearances have to be done stone cold. Stone cold Steve Austin. Well, the FN2 has made it up onto the dyno, and this morning from Stone Cold, when we first got here, it had its valve clearances done, and then Richard has fitted this lovely M2 inlet manifold. It's got some modifications already. It's got an airbox mod. It's got some. It's got a nice purple SFS hose. It's got a Piper 4-to-1 manifold, DCAT or sports cat. I think it's got a DCAT. And then an exhaust system, which I shall identify shortly. But yes, it's now ready for map on the dyno. So we'll be using the standard ECU and using the Ecutek software. We'll flash a race ROM onto the FN2, which allows us the ability to data log and fine tune. At that point, it'll be getting mapped. So first up, we're going to do a standard power run, see what she's putting out, and then get tuning. I've just seen an EP3 land. So the EP3 is a similar thing this morning. It's also having an inlet manifold fitted, and then we're going to map that as well. Here we go then, warm it up and then get some initial power runs done. Okay, so the Ecutek race ROM is on the vehicle. Richard's busy tapping away, working his magic in there. The base file has been ran, everything seems to be hunky-dory, all going well. At this point, it's about fine-tuning and see what power we can squeeze out of her, which is what we're doing now. So we'll do a couple more runs and I'll show you some footage, and then we'll have a chat at the end, as per usual. Checking the features work. So this has got Ecutek exhaust. That's adjustable launch control. So there's the gains. So blue line is what we've done. Red line is as it came in. As you can see, gains across the board. We've got some peak power, extended the rev limit to 8.6, and obviously you've got your power in the mid-range and power at peak. We finish on 226 brake horsepower, which is 189 at the wheels. Good car, some good mods. It's got Miltech 2.5-inch exhaust, the Piper, and the Piper decat. Piper manifold, that is. I think realistically, maybe the Tegua carbon intake or airbox is maybe a bit of a restriction. But it's done well. It's done well, hasn't it, Richard?
It's done exactly what I expected it to do, yeah.
Exactly what Richard expected it.
I think the exhaust could be better. I mean, like we're saying with a lot of these, you know, it's 2.25 manifold. There's a lot of 90s in this system. We think this is where we're losing power compared to the EP3, in my opinion. And when they're on 2.25-inch systems with 2-inch tailpipes, I mean, you know, what do we expect? This is
a 2.5-inch Miltech.
Yeah, the tailpipes aren't 2.5-inch though.
Oh, aren't they?
That's a 2.25-inch bit of pipe, and it goes over with ease. The tailpipes are only 2-inch.
Ah, so it actually at the back box reduces.
Out of the back box, it's only 2 inches side.
Well, there you go. God, always something to learn from Richard. Every day's a school day for me, guys. But brilliant. So it's like I say, it's still doing well. There's still gains to be had. So that's another one in the bag. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. We love you. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you're doing with your FN2. And we'll see you on the next video. Rich? We'll see you on the next video, won't we?